How to deter raccoons from digging in your yard. If raccoons are digging in your yard, not only are they making your lawn an eyesore, but they are also putting you at risk of contracting disease. Raccoons can carry the deadly disease rabies, and many also have parasites, according to the Audubon Society of Portland. If raccoons are in your yard, you are at a high risk of having an encounter with this wild animal. If the raccoon bites you, you could be exposed to rabies. Things you will need. Product that kills grubs. Milky spore granules. Hole control spray. Remove grubs from your lawn. If a raccoon is digging in your yard, chances are you have grubs. Raccoons will smell the grubs, eat them, and continue to dig to find them. Grubs will spend time near the surface of your lawn eating the grass roots and causing damage to the grass, states the Ottawa Carleton Wildlife Center. Many home improvement or garden stores sell chemicals that will remove the grubs. However, for a more earth-friendly approach, try applying milky spore granules to your lawn, suggests eartheasy.com. When the grubs eat the granules, it will cause them to contract a disease that kills them. Apply a deterrent spray to the areas in which the raccoons dig. According to bugspray.com, the product Hole Control is effective in keeping raccoons away. Spraying the affected areas leaves a bad taste on the soil, which will deter the raccoons from coming back. Bugspray.com states that Hole Control does not contain any poison, therefore, it should not harm animals that come in contact with the spray. Keep your yard food free. Raccoons may enter your yard to find food that may be left behind and may dig to find more, states the Audubon Society of Portland. Do not feed any animals outdoors and tightly cover all garbage cans. Try fastening the lid with a rope or bungee cord if the raccoon still manages to invade the trash can. If the raccoon cannot find any food sources, it will likely move out of your yard and onto a place in which it can. Tips warnings. Milky spore granules will lie in the soil inactive for years and will still be effective if a grub comes in contact with it. One treatment has the potential of lasting 40 years, according to eartheasy.com.